Workflow at a standstill because of the Bink2w64.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is the 64-bit version of the Bink Video Codec. It is the industry standard for playing high-quality, pre-rendered cinematics and cutscenes within high-performance modern 64-bit games. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Bink2w64.dll is installed as part of Bink Video and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest official version of Bink Video from the official source will restore the correct version of the Bink2w64. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Bink2w64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the Bink2w64.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Bink2w64. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Bink Video remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.